Once upon a time, high above the endless clouds, there was a city unlike any ever known. It was a realm of magic, rhythm, and eternal wonder. Its name remained hidden from the world below until it was revealed as the noise of SERENDIB, Believe Us. And within this city lived a guardian greater than any myth, stronger than any legend. His name was Echo Daft. But Echo Daft was more than a god. He was the best god of this city. The true heartbeat of the divine, an underground music artist whose sound shook the heavens, whose beats bent the clouds, and whose echoes gave life to the gods themselves. Echo Daft was the protector, the creator, the eternal voice of Believe Us.
God.